Hello, good afternoon, everyone. We are here from Tavant. My name is Abhinav. I'm the head of products for the consumer lending business here at Tavant. And here with me is Atul Varshneya. He is the head of artificial intelligence and machine learning at Tavant. Prior to Tavant, Atul also headed the AI R&D labs at Samsung. Today, we are going to discuss a problem that we've seen over the years. It's about churn and how do you manage churn within your portfolio of loans. The top three problems that we see are predicting which borrowers are in the market to prepay your loan. So either they could prepay, refinance, or just walk away from you as part of your. Second is to predict which of those borrowers are most likely to accept a recapture or refinance offer from you as their financial institution. And third is to manage the overall acquisition cost of bringing those customers back into your portfolio. With data from over the years, we've looked at data from GSEs, from other external third-party data providers, and we've seen that there is clear signal and patterns around how to identify borrowers who are most likely to prepay, refinance, or walk away from you just because of the quality of service that you offer them. And so Atul and his team here at Tavant, we looked at all the data. We built deep learning models to learn from consumer behavior to come up with models that can be deployed on your portfolio to make those predictions. Atul, do you want to add?
Sure. There are two approaches that I just want to highlight about how we have implemented these solutions. The first is about using deep learning. Clearly, deep learning is much better than the traditional methods like logistic regression because those are very linear, while deep learning models the nonlinearities in the behaviors much better. Even with nonlinear models like random forest, deep learning is still much better because using techniques like LSTM, like temporal count nets, we can not only look at the behaviors at a static time, but also over time, how the thing behaves over time. So we capture these kind of capabilities through deep learning. Also, from the point of view of how we deploy these solutions, we first build standard models, and as example that Abhinav was mentioning in case of mortgages, we take GSE data to build standard models which are fairly representative of the industry's behavior, and on top of that, we use the customer's data to fine-tune the model so that it applies better for that customer's performance, for the customer situation.
So not spending too much time on this deck, let's go into a real demo, Atul.
Sure.
What we've done here is we've run our models on top of a 1.5 million loan sample from a portfolio. And what it did for us was to generate a lead pipeline for which we've ended up creating a campaign. So what you're going to see on the screen right now is a lead pipeline of all potential borrowers from within the portfolio that are most likely to either refi or stay back in your loan pool because of the offers that you can make to them. So here's Atul is generating that lead list in real time. What we'll do is generate an email campaign out of this that we'll send out to potential borrowers, and then from there go into an application process that will enable the borrower to go and apply for a refinance or a home equity product through a seamlessly pre-filled application.
So these are the leads?
Yeah, so we can just go to the email campaign. And so when you run the email campaign, it generates an email, as you see on the screen here. And then as a borrower, as a consumer, you get this email. It talks about the offer that's available to you. You can go and view the offer. And from there, if you decide to move forward, because we have all the data on you as a borrower within the portfolio, we can pre-fill most of the application. So it becomes a very seamless experience in going through the refinance application from there on. So Atul is logging into his account. It basically is similar to what would be for any existing customer for a lender. They would have their online account management credentials. They would go in, they would see the offers available. They can pick the offer that they want to apply with. So that would mean that would give them refinance capabilities in real time. Once they select the offer, they can go in and pretty much verify and validate their existing information within the portfolio and go through the entire submission process of the refinance application or the home equity application pretty much in less than 10 minutes time. So as Atul goes through the process, what we are seeing here is a combination of products from Tavant. What we launched today is the machine learning model, but here is an example of a point of sale system that Tavant developed over the last couple of years, where we provide the experience to borrowers to go in and interact with you and engage with you as banks and financial institutions. And then we also provide you with the ability to pull in data and information from your own internal systems to help borrowers and consumers better engage and interact with you through the process. So as Atul goes through the process, our goal is to educate you on the ability for you as financial institutions to leverage data from within your portfolio, bring in data from external sources like the GSEs and other macroeconomic data from institutions like Fred that provide labor statistics, house price indices, income analysis. You can bring all of that together into the equation to provide your consumers with a much better, more targeted offer that they can apply to seamlessly. OK, thank you.